controller wash and should I big up Petagaye live on YouTube. Check it out. You don't know all of the exclusive things.
Hi guys, good morning. How are you? Well, me and Krista, Clear's sister, which is Crystal, and her mom, we're going to do a foot detox. And with this foot detox, tell me about the foot detox. Introduce yourself, Crystal. First time appearing in the vlogs.
Hi.
Tell them about the foot detox. What is it all about?
Well, it's...
Why are you talking so low and soft like you're nice?
Of course you're nice.
Tell them about it.
Well, what I know of it is that it removes whatever toxic from the body. Also, the doctor tests the water to see if there's anything going on with you and let you know what you're supposed to take to improve your organs and also for you to have a better diet. That's what I know of.
So we're gonna do that. We'll see if we can sneak peek at the water. And people like me, I want it to be very black. I don't know about Crystal, but I think she is. So we're just going to the bus stop. And clear mom is around there, but you know she don't want to be in the vlog, so yeah. But eventually you guys will see. But not right. So we're just gonna get on the bus. We'll pay $100.
Passed the bill to abolish slavery in all British colonies. It marked freedom for the colonies and is a day which our churches seek to remember through the annual Emancipation Lecture. It is an occasion to reflect on the deliverance of God, grapple with the extent to which we are truly emancipated.
Detox center. So.
Yes.
Oh, you remember?
Yeah, of course.
Yes, I do.
I'm Petagaye.
Second
time. Alright, go straight round and see. Go straight round and see. Alright. You love the vlog, you know, vlog show.
I'll see. Yeah. So this is the water. I put my foot in the water. Guys, I cannot vlog it while it's being done because it's going to interrupt the machine and the radiation and all that. So afterwards I'm going to see how I can show you guys the process after, but right now I'm going to get it done and show you. So you guys, yes, that's my foot being detoxed right now. All the toxins are coming out in the water, hence why the water look like that. So yeah, so to sit and wait for like 45 minutes, and that is Crystal water. See the difference because my toxin draw quicker than Crystal own, so it does not hurt. You just feel a tingling in your foot bottom because you know the pores are open. So we just sit and wait. Yeah. So what we are looking for our mother, we're in the supermarket. We are buying for drink. Yeah? I don't want any soda. I love coconut water, it is so good right now. How much for them more?
Soda wash for the baby.
Apparently some of them are looking. Also, baby, some more expensive?
Yep.
Wow.
So let me look for something for yourself.
You have to look for your baby first. Whew. So let me say you just say you're breaking, so come along. Come along. You can't buy more than juice, so come along. So don't you guys will reach home, I'm gonna tell you everything what happened. So not to worry. Snacks I could have buy that for Paris. Yeah. And this is breakfast. So banana, stuff. Stay away from the bus spot. So that's what's up.
Clear, no. I could have never cursed here. That's an Clear, oh gosh, look. That's what you do. Clear, no. Yeah. Clear, could have never that. Yeah.
Clear, you not see me? Clear? Daycare done. Daycare done. Guys, I just reach home. Clear, I fill up the back here. Water. I thought I'm gonna lie down, you know, I'm gonna sleep. For now, I'm wake up so early. So, oh, just drink some water a while ago. And boy, what I say? Oh, see that? Okay. That's a hi. So, oh, she look nice. Because she transformed, you guys. So I'm gonna leave you. Thank you.
Why should I buy something for culture and culture now, girl? You have money anyways.
Yeah.
But yeah, why not you come and fix for a banana surf?
Because everybody else running and the camp. Come on. Guys, I can't tell when last night I could sleep. I feel so awesome. So go to sleep though. Okay, what you say? I spent some at your style? Eh? Paris and Crystal is leaving us right now.
Bye, baby.
Paris, love her. So, I'm clear right there, so the whole fam.
Fam bam.
Yeah. So, I don't think we give them a small summary about the detox today. Because I'm saying we're going to tell them we end up dropping asleep.
Well, turns out a lot is wrong. But everything turned out, I know as long as I get treatment.
I know she's going to need some GoFundMe.
Yeah. Very expensive. Yeah. Very. So if you go in carry like one
10 grand.
30 around that. Depending on what happens to you.
Paris, say bye.
Paris, I want to say bye. Say bye bye, baby. Say bye bye.
Say bye.
Bye bye.
To the outcome. Alright, Crystal, safe journey home. All Paris. Crystal, bye Paris.
Bye, Paris. Mwah.
Mwah. So guys, now we have one. So, we did our bus. So yeah. So you can tell me it's actually like for them all to see you today.